Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This is number 120 of this year, I think. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So here we have the car, which to be honest, looks pretty great. So you might have already known this by now. This is the current fastest Ferrari in the world, and already has beaten the legend, the LaFerrari. This is the new legend basically. So this is considered as the new LaFerrari. To be honest, don't know why this car does not seem to look like a Ferrari at all actually. I mean, when you look at the back and you look at the front, it doesn't look like a Ferrari. You wouldn't even recognize the car if it's right in front of your face, but of course you'll see the logo first definitely, but if you saw it without the logo, you might not recognize the car, because this car is quite a new type of Ferrari. I mean, like, it's already like next gen already. So this car basically has 985 horsepower, which is quite good for obviously a Ferrari, which has beaten the LaFerrari, our old past legend. It's now beaten by the SF90. So let's take a look at the car itself. Oh yeah, and by the way, this car costs around $500,000 in the US for the real life car. So right here at the side, it seems like what car does it remind me of? It reminds me a bit of a LaFerrari and a bit of some sort of Ferrari 458 Italia, but with the black roof makes it quite different. So you obviously have the normal Tomica wheels right there. There's the, oh, what is this? Oh, it's like the air intake, I think. Yeah, there are the doors. Of course, the doors open normally for the real thing. So here's the front, which has the headlights, which kinda shapes like a C, and it doesn't really look like a Ferrari from the front. I mean, like, obviously, you know Ferrari's signature look, they have like an L-shaped type of headlights, which obviously people would know. But this one shapes more of like a C. Kinda reminds me of an upside down crab. Yeah, if you turn it around, kinda seems like a crab shaped headlight. That's the Ferrari logo right there. I like the front look of the bumper right there. You have this massive air vent right here, quite big on the hood. The roof is fully black. Looks pretty good. There's the engine at the back. Oh yeah, by the way, I believe this is a hybrid. Yeah, this is sort of like a hybrid, similar to the LaFerrari. So here's the back. Now here's the part where it doesn't seem like a Ferrari at all. So instead of the normal circle rear lights like what you have on the Ferrari 458, or maybe the GTB, or maybe even the F8 Tributo, turns out you have sort of like oval, or maybe half, it's not half, it's like they cut down the circles on the rear lights, which to be honest doesn't seem like a Ferrari at all anymore, but it seems quite nice. I mean, like, I don't think there's any other car brand that did this type of wheels. I mean, the rear lights. Like, if it was the circle headlights, of course, we had the Nissan GT-R, which basically has circle headlights until today. I mean the rear lights. But this one looks like they've worked it out on the car. You can see the diffusers down there. Ooh, and we have two exhaust pipes at the back, which sort of looks like the Ford GT, the new one, the 2020, I think, 2020 Ford GT, which yeah, looks pretty good. I mean, like, I know it doesn't really look like a Ferrari anymore, but it still is a Ferrari, and it's one of the fastest Ferraris in the world. So is Tomica, of course, 162 scale. So surprisingly, this is a bit larger in scale. 2020. So this car, I mean the Tomica version, basically released in 2020, but here I have now in 2022. Made in Vietnam. And then you have of course the license of Ferrari right there. So to me, this type of car, well, it's a Ferrari, and for the looks of it, looks pretty great. I mean, like, it's a hybrid car. That's one. And number two, faster than the LaFerrari. Who wouldn't buy it? And then number three, it costs around $500,000, which for a car like this, I guess is worth it. I have no idea. But yet again, we still have the SF90 and we still have the LaFerrari. No other Ferrari can maybe beat it. I don't know if they make a new one in the future. Who knows? But yeah, that's it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.